Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best airbrushes is probably one of the most transformative tools for model painting enthusiasts. It allows for unparalleled precision and control, enabling you to achieve smooth gradients, fine details, and flawless finishes that are simply unattainable with traditional brushes. This video will guide you through the essential aspects of selecting the perfect airbrush to elevate your model painting to the next level. Number 5. Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2 Airbrushing System Kit. Introducing the Master Airbrush System Kit, a professional multi-purpose airbrushing system. It comes with 3 user-friendly airbrushes. This kit is designed to make your airbrushing experience seamless. The kit features the TC320 Cool Runner 2 compressor. This powerful compressor has 2 cooling fans, allowing it to run cooler for extended periods. It also includes an airbrush holder for 2 airbrushes. This kit includes 3 different types of master airbrushes. There's a dual-action gravity feed airbrush, a dual-action gravity feed airbrush with a smaller cup, and a single-action siphon feed airbrush. They offer versatility for various projects. Also included is a US Art Supply Primary Colors acrylic airbrush paint kit. It contains 6 opaque colors, a reducer, and a cleaner. The set also comes with a color mixing wheel and cleaning brushes. This product is backed by a trusted brand. They are dedicated to your satisfaction, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Get yours today and start creating. What we like. This kit comes with 3 different airbrushes, offering versatility for various projects. The compressor features dual cooling fans, ensuring it can run longer without overheating. It also includes a set of acrylic paints. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit that provides everything you need to get started with model painting, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a complete setup right out of the box. What people say. The kit comes with 3 airbrushes, both gravity and siphon feed, which gives her flexibility depending on the project. What really impressed us is how quiet the little compressor is. It's remarkably silent, which makes it perfect for her studio environment. It has everything you need to get started. And I'm new when it comes to airbrushing and have no idea where to start, but this set allows me to go step by step and hopefully, become an experienced airbrush guy. It has a set of airbrush paints and hose. It comes with all the necessary documentation including a color wheel. It also has 3 complete airbrushes. This tank and the cool running motor is extremely quiet. I set the output pressure to about 1920 psi. It shut off after the tank filled and has been at 20 psi for several hours now, and the compressor has not kicked on yet, meaning the system does not lean. Ensuring fit together well, there is more than enough power to airbrush just about any home project. Number 4. Gocheer Airbrush Kit with Air Compressor. This airbrush kit is perfect for all your creative projects. It is ideal for makeup, cake decorating, nail art, and more. The kit is lightweight and easy to carry. You can take it anywhere, whether you're at home, in the studio, or outdoors. It includes 3 nozzle sizes and a mini air compressor with adjustable pressure settings. This gives you precise control and versatility. Designed for both beginners and professionals, it comes with a detailed user manual. The setup is quick, and the operation is hassle-free. The complete set includes paint bottles, a hose, and a toolbox. It provides everything you need to start creating right out of the box. No extra accessories are required. What we like. This airbrush kit is designed to be portable and lightweight, making it easy to take your creativity anywhere. It includes 3 different nozzle sizes for precision and versatility. The kit is also designed to be user-friendly for both beginners and professionals. If you are looking for a convenient and adaptable airbrush system for on-the-go projects, this kit is ideal. It's perfect for those who need a flexible setup for various applications. What people say. The dual-action airbrush allows for better control over the airflow and paint mixture, giving me a professional quality finish every time. It's also great for small craft projects, miniatures, and detailed artwork. The precision is just fantastic. I've used this for foundation and body art, and the results were absolutely stunning, lightweight, even coverage without clogging or streaking. Number 3. Master Airbrush G233 Pro Set. Introducing the Master Airbrush G233 Pro Set. This professional-grade airbrush kit is perfect for artists of all levels. It's designed to provide precision and versatility for various applications. This dual-action gravity-feed airbrush features 3 nozzle sets. The different sizes allow for extra fine detail work, overall spraying, and wider background coverage. It offers great control and precision. This airbrush is ideal for hobbies, crafts, auto graphics, and more. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced artist, it works well with most paint types. It's a great all-purpose tool. The cutaway handle allows for quick cleaning of air passages. The fluid control knob provides easy adjustment of paint flow. This makes the airbrush easy to maintain and use. Master Airbrush is an industry leader in airbrush supplies. You can buy with confidence knowing that the brand is dedicated to your satisfaction. It ensures a hassle-free experience. What we like. This airbrush set comes with multiple nozzle sets, allowing for extra fine detail or wider spray patterns. It features a dual-action gravity feed for precise control. The cutaway handle makes cleaning easy. If you like having precise control over your paint flow and want a versatile airbrush for detailed work, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want a professional-grade tool for detailed model painting. What people say. The performance. It's so smooth, you might start wondering if you're actually painting with liquid silk. This set is so user-friendly, it practically holds your hand through the process. Easy to use, has all those expensive features other top brands have at a ridiculously low price. Number 2. Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2 Airbrush System for Artists. This professional airbrushing system is designed for artists of all levels. It includes 3 of Master Airbrush's best-selling and user-friendly airbrushes, perfect for a variety of projects. The TC320 Cool Runner 2 compressor features a powerful 1.5 HP motor and dual cooling fans. This allows it to run cooler and for longer periods without overheating, ensuring consistent performance. The system comes with 3 different types of Master Airbrushes. They include a dual-action gravity feed, a precision dual-action siphon feed, and a single-action siphon feed airbrush, providing flexibility for various techniques. Included is a US Art Supply acrylic paint kit with 6 primary colors. These water-based paints are perfect for airbrushing, offering vibrant and opaque colors for your artwork. Buy with confidence knowing that this product is backed by a trusted brand. They are dedicated to your satisfaction, ensuring a hassle-free experience every time you use it. What we like. This airbrush system includes a compressor with dual cooling fans, ensuring it can run for extended periods without overheating. It also comes with 3 different airbrushes, offering versatility for various projects. Plus, it includes an acrylic paint kit. If you're looking for a reliable and complete airbrushing system with a focus on longevity and a variety of tools, this is a great choice. It's ideal for artists who need a robust setup for extended use. What people say. Excellent on all 3 airbrushes, signal action and dual action compressor works. This thing really is extremely quiet, and it even has a pressure switch. Even without a tank, there is a little reservoir of pressure in the system, and it only runs when needed. Guns each have their own case and feel and look of good grade. Compressor is a decent size and fits in corner of my workbench. It's smooth and very quiet. Number 1. Airbrush Kit with Compressor 30 psi Portable Airbrush Gun. This cordless airbrush gun offers 3 adjustable air pressures, 30, 25, and 18 psi. It's perfect for various applications, delivering a heavier coating quickly across a wide area. The machine is suitable for nail art, makeup, and more. Unlike traditional airbrushes, you control the pressure with the on-off button. You can also adjust the paint amount with the trigger. This internal blending ensures smooth results, distributing the paint evenly for better control. The 0.3 mm needle and nozzle combination controls paint and airflow, reducing overspray. This improves your ability to create detailed work while minimizing paint waste. Remember, all paints need to be diluted before use. The set includes 3 paint cups of different sizes and 5 cleaning brushes. The funnel shape aids paint flow and cleaning, making it ideal for beginners and experts. This makes it a great tool for anyone. It's cordless, so you can use it anywhere. The rechargeable battery lasts over 60 minutes and charges via USB. It's compatible with most chargers and supports fast charging. First, test with water to check for blockages. Then, dilute your paints to a milk-like consistency. Finally, adjust the air pressure and the knob to the maximum to test. If you're using it for makeup, dilute the foundation with toner. What we like. This airbrush kit is cordless and portable, offering freedom of movement. It features adjustable air pressures to suit different needs. The kit also includes easy-to-clean components. If you have limited workspace or need a mobile solution for your airbrushing projects, this is a great choice. It is perfect for those who value convenience and flexibility. What people say. I really like the idea of a small, light unit that would be quieter, handier, and take up less space than a large compressor and hose, something I could use more quickly and with less noise and bulk for basic coverage tasks while using a heavier rig for the more demanding jobs. The compressor has a very good range of 3 settings that provide lower or higher air pressure. It will also do some pre-shading and camouflage in 148 if you work with it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.